In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting one of your apps and accessing it in the background. To do that with trickiest navigation, use this square button. Now just hold your app and click on this icon between two rectangles and a gear. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then let go. To resize it, hold one of its bottom corners, drag it, and when you find the perfect size, let go. To turn your window into a bubble, click on Home button. Then access it by clicking on the bubble. If you want to use this app in full screen view, hold the lower line and drag it all the way down. Then let go. In order to close your window completely, just swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!